Alright guys, it's unboxing time. Okay, so bago tayo magsimula, we want to thank Sony Philippines and the guys from Sony for allowing us to use these awesome new line of lenses. This is the 73 to 350, 4.5 to 6.3, and the 16 to 55 millimeter 2.8. These are APS-C lenses, but obviously you can also use them and mount them to your full frame. So let's get into it. So let's start with about this one first. So, tabi muna natin to. Simulan na natin. So, I'll start unboxing this. Teka, wala na kasi yung kuko eh. Okay, so, what's in the box, no? Tingnan natin. Yes, so obviously, you have this. Ano ka pa ulit tawag dito?
Warranty card?
Yeah, it's the warranty card. So, I suggest wag natin tapon to. The bubble wrap. Hindi, wag muna yan. Simulan dito. Of course, we have all the manuals which, do we read these stuff? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. And of course, the product itself. This is the 70 to 350. Yep, look at that. Siyempre, as usual, may kasama siyang hood na we shouldn't forget to always put when we do our shoot. So look at that. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Surprisingly, it's not heavy. Kasi I was expecting a bit of a heavier weight because of the focal length. Na usually kasi if we use a lens with this range, usually mabigat like the 70-200 or all those stuff. Pero ito, surprisingly magaan. And it feels solid. Of course, we have the AF/MF clicks and the OSS clicks. We have this focus hold button or whatever, it's customizable. So, pwede nyo lagay ito depending on your shooting style. So, that's it. Nice. Very nice. Okay, before we begin unboxing this next lens, we would like to thank Pearl. Maraming salamat, Pearl, for allowing us again to use these toys, these lenses. Let's unbox this bad boy. Okay, so that's the thing with boxes, no? Lalo na if you're excited, gusto mo na lang siyang sirain. Pero sometimes the box is just as precious as the lens inside. I like to keep my boxes. Okay, so pareho lang. You have the warranty card, you have all the manuals that we always read, and the lens itself. Now this lens is probably topping our charts, no? Kasi ang ganda ng range nito eh. If we are familiar, of course we are familiar with the famous G Master lens na 24-70. Parang ito yung ano niya eh, APS-C version niya. Because when you mount it on your APS-C version, it's probably around 24-70-ish, mga ganon. So yeah, ito siya. Whoa, first time ko nawakan. Look at that baby. Ang ganda. Look at the build. So you also have the clicks, the AF to MF. This button right here, that comes really handy. Depending on your shooting style, you always customize this button. Caps and the hood. Where's the hood? Oh, you have the bag as well. So yung isa wala yatang bag eh, no? But this one, it has the bag. It's a leather bag. Very nice feel to it. Let's try it with the hood.
Click.
Okay, click. Very nice. Very smooth. Sony always doing a good job with their focus rings. Yeah, that is absolutely one of the smoothest lenses I've tried. Can't wait to mount this on a camera. Again, Sony, maraming salamat. Excited kami gamitin to because later on we'll be going outside and do a real world shoot with these lenses. We'll be doing some video shoots, right? And portrait shoot, we'll be using external flash and we'll be testing it in natural light. Probably push the capabilities of these new line of lenses. So yup, excited kami dun. Very nice. Shall we go outside? Thank you, Sony. Okay. By the way, may pahabol nga pala si Sony. So, gusto namin pasalamat again kay Pearl. Pearl, you are the best indeed. She allowed us to borrow this Sony A7 III. And this lens, this is the 24G Master f1.4. It's been in the market for quite some time now. And pinayagan kami ni Pearl na try to mamaya sa real world shoot. So, maraming salamat sa iyo, Pearl. It's a beauty, no? Now, that's the thing with G Master lenses, no? It's a bit pricey, pero you get what you paid for. Laging may iba doon, like this aperture ring, and the build quality, of course, is really, it's very robust and it feels really solid. Now, with this particular lens, this 24 1.4, ang nakakagulat dito is, you know, pag you're using a small lens, di ba, sometimes it feels like parang ang cheap ng ginagamit mo. Pero for some reason, this particular small lens, when you put it in your camera, I don't get that feeling. And also the hood, no? You know, parang it's like this Velcro finish. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I know you can hear it. Pero it's Velcro. So yeah, look at that. It feels solid, and it's lightweight too, at the same time. Very nice. And yeah, ito yung binibili dun eh. It goes all the way down to F20, F1.4. And all the way up to F16. Nice, di ba? Very smooth. Clicking, but smooth. Alright, once again, maraming salamat, Sony Philippines, most especially Pearl, for really accommodating us and lending us this really wonderful line of lenses. Maraming salamat sa tiwala ninyo. Maiingatan namin to. And we are sure that we will really have a good time using them. Thanks, Sony Philippines. One, two, three. Ito pa. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nice. Okay, what's up? Ito yung napili namin location. Nasa rooftop kami. It's 12:06 p.m. So it's high noon, pero hindi ganun kalakas yung ilaw. It's very cloudy, so overcast day. We have the Godox AD200 and the parabolic umbrella. Say hi to our gorgeous model, Twitel. Hi, Twitel. Good job. So I'm using the Sony A7 III with the G Master, and I'm shooting at f1.4. So we are shooting wide open at this time, and we are shooting with high-speed sync, meaning I can go all the way up to 1 to 8,000 shutter speed, pero still getting the right exposure. So Twitel, ready? Guys, ready? Okay, game. is this Sony A6400, and for the first time, na-try ko na itong 16 to 55G 2.8. I'm shooting with, once again, Twitel. Good job. Galing. And we're using Godox lights. It's an AD200 and I am at full power. Alam mo, napansin ko din sa lens, sobrang sharp. Pero what do you expect? It's a Sony, it's a G lens, and it's new. So definitely it's going to be sharp, no? So, nung zoom in ko siya sa details sa mata, lalo na. And kudos to the autofocus again of Sony. Syempre, sobrang bilis, di ba? Tapos, parang lahat ng shots ko, lahat ng shots ko, malinaw yung mata. Oh, tas sobrang sharp niya. I was shooting at I tried 16 to 55 eh. Tapos so far lahat ng ranges na yun, yung 16 to 55, lahat malinaw. Lumalabo lang siya pag masyado akong malapit. Syempre, hindi na kaya hindi yung close focusing siguro hindi ganoon kalapit. But overall, it's a really nice lens. It's for portrait, it's for landscape, or it's for your pet, it's for your dog, it's for your cat, for your mom, your grandma, I don't know. Whatever you shoot it with this one. Kasi, I guarantee. Come on guys, believe me. Amount naman ngayon, this is the 70 to 350, di ba? Can you believe that? So kagaya sinabi ko kanina, we will try to push this lens to the limit. Rarely do we shoot with the 350 sa portrait. Well, at least ako. Pero this time, I will try. Pero hindi ako makagamit ng high-speed sync because I'll be shooting at 1/200 shutter speed. Tapos, since naka 350 ako, hindi siya fixed aperture, I'll be shooting at f6.3. So Twitel will be right there, all the way over there. Medyo malayo siya. And again, we have the Godox AD200 mounted on a parabolic, 90-inch parabolic umbrella. So let's start and let's see what this lens can do. Okay. Alam mo ano yung nakakagulat dito? Particularly yung combo na to. This is an A6400 tsaka itong lens na to. Kahit nasa 350 ako, hindi kumakalas yung eye autofocus niya. So kahit anong galaw ng model, tinatrack lang niya yung mata. Tapos the moment minsan na pag tumalikod siya, mawawala syempre yung eye autofocus kasi wala na yung mata. Pero nakatrack pa rin sa ulo. Tapos the moment na humarap siya ulit sa sa camera, biglang mag-snap na lang yung IAF, which is actually sobrang yun yung nakakagulat sa Sony talaga. Kaya good job talaga Sony. You made our lives probably easier. Thanks.
Mga nagtatanong, Ito yung mga nagre-review.
System. Exposure.
Bench.
Pwede ka na rin mag-ano ng LUTs dyan, eh, no?
Mm.
Pwede yan.
Ayun, no?
Ayan.
Config.
Config. Para